Welcome back, traders. Let's get started. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at how the FXRocket performed when tested on historical data. For this backtest, we use the GBP/USD pair on the M1 timeframe. We began with a starting deposit of $1,000. As the test runs, you can see the equity curve steadily moving upward, reflecting the EA's consistent trade management throughout the period. Every trade you see here is executed based on real market conditions and the EA's built-in strategy logic. During this process, key factors like risk management, entry precision, and trade execution are carefully analyzed. This helps us evaluate the EA's stability, accuracy, and overall performance in different market conditions. Now, here's a look at the complete trade history, showing every position opened during the test. The first trade was placed on the 6th of October 2025, marking the start of the testing period. And the final trade closed on the 7th of March 2025, completing the full backtest cycle. By the end of the test, the EA delivered a total net profit of $935, which is a solid return. The maximum drawdown remained controlled at just 25%, highlighting strong risk management and stable performance. With a 65% win rate, the strategy maintained impressive accuracy across all trades. If you'd like to try this EA yourself, you can find the free download link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.